So here you can see there's some seeds from the tree, and this actually growing that long, and now it's too dry. It's good growing a tree inside the car. Here is the view after the wheel arc liner are removed. You can see here we have the tree growing, and here the where the screw screwed in, and there's another one, and here another one, another hole, and at the lower part the screw is screwed to that piston panel, and also here, and there's a hole over here, and there's the one here. At the front we have a spider web. That's not a big issue, and at the back you can see on both sides we found this accumulated mud or dust. This is no good. If you don't like rust, I think it's better to remove the wheel arc liner and clean all this out.